Hi guys, welcome back to Dishsosweet. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make my beans pancake. Yes, we have so many recipes we use beans for, but we can also make pancakes with beans. So let's get right into it, guys. First thing I'll be doing is to add my already washed beans into the blender. So, and then I'm going to be adding my onions and peppers. Little bit of oil. Only bad news could be bribe, take all my money. I like my lies sweet, tastes like irony. But that's the reason that they vex my nigga. Heavy is the head, but forget my nigga. Seasoning cubes. From the stress, my nigga. It's getting hard to suppress my liquor. So I'm drinking more wine. I bought 30. I'd rather be online than out with company. When I'm turning on and some salt. Too heavy, cause life is no joke. We cope with comedy. I really know they see your face. That's why we switch lanes, no they indicate. Lastly, I'm going to be adding some water. But most times I feel no one can relate. When there's no time, there's no energy. I'm just running. So we're just going to blend this until it turns to a paste. Now we are going to be transferring this into our bowl. Now we're about to make our pancakes. So the first thing I'm going to do is to oil my pan. Just a bit of oil is good. And then I'm going to scoop my batter. Add that into the center of the pan. This recipe is quite easy. I know a lot of people can relate with this. All you need to do is get your beans batter ready and then you make your pancakes. It contains less oil and you can use healthier oil as an option for you if you are trying to watch your weight or live an healthier lifestyle. So guys, when this bubble starts forming, then your pancake is ready to be flipped. So we are going to flip our pancake now. See? Nice and golden. Our beans pancake is ready. Now I'm going to top it with some maple syrup. That is how to make your beans pancakes. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.